Hello guys, namaskar. I am Sambhu sir. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Sambhu sir English classes. आज के इस वीडियो में मैं रिमूव टू के बारे में बताऊंगा। रिमूव टू जो कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के अंतर्गत आता है। रिमूव का मतलब ही होता है रिप्लेस करना। मीन्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक ऐसी विधि है जिसमें हम शब्दों को चेंज कर सकते हैं, रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, रिमूव कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट मेनी। मीन्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज सच ए प्रोसेस इन इंग्लिश इन विच वी कैन रिप्लेस, वी कैन चेंज द वर्ड्स बट नॉट मेनी। तो उसी तरह से रिमूव टू के बारे में, रिमूव टू एक एडवर्ब है जिसे हम लोग चेंज करके दूसरे शब्द को सेम मीनिंग निकालेंगे। तो बिना देर किए हुए वीडियो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जैसा कि मैंने बता ही दिया कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है ना। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन is such a process in which we can change the word, but not meaning. Okay, we can change the word but not meaning. तो इसी के अंतर्गत रिमूव टू आता है। देखिए रिमूव टू कैसे हम लोग चेंज करेंगे। हालांकि रिमूव टू का कई प्रकार होता है, सभी प्रकार को मैं बताने का प्रयास करूंगा, है ना। सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ये रिमूव टू और टू डॉट टू लाइक दिस। एग्जाम्पल ये he is too weak to walk. वह इतना कमजोर है कि वह चल नहीं सकता है। इसका मीनिंग हो रहा है कि वह इतना कमजोर है कि वह चल नहीं सकता है। तो सेम मीनिंग निकालने के लिए हम लोग चेंज करेंगे। ओके, रिमूव टू, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। He is in place of two, the same word which replace the same meaning. So he is so weak that in place of two that main subject को लिखा that he can't, okay, he can't walk. Okay, he is so big that he can't walk. Means during remove to solving such type of problem, in place of TOO must use so. Okay, and for two that, and the main subject is written here with can't. Okay, other sentence is he is too tall to enter the room. वह इतना लंबा है कि वो कमरे में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता। वह इतना लंबा है कि वो कमरे में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता। इसे हम लोग कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएंगे। He is so tall that main subject he can't enter the room. He can't enter the room. Okay. Means if sentence belongs to present tense, must use can't. However, in past tense, be used could or couldn't. For example, he was too busy. He was too busy to talk. He was too busy to talk. Okay. Transformation here. He was so busy that he couldn't talk. He was too busy that he couldn't talk. बात नहीं कर सकता. Okay. However, removed to has also been categorized here. Second here, categorized here. Other example, the mountain is too high to climb. The mountain is too high to climb. Transformation will be here. The mountain is so high. The mountain is so high that one can't climb. Other example, the sun is too hot to move out. Okay. Transformation here. The sun is so hot that no one can move out. However, we can also write, or the sun is so hot that one can't move out. Other example, he is too selfish he is too selfish to ascend. He is too selfish to ascend. He is too selfish to ascend. Transformation will be here. He is so selfish that he can't be ascend. Okay. He is too okay. He is too aggressive to be a social worker. Okay. Transformation here. He is so aggressive that he can't be a social worker. Means you might have understood how remove to also has categorized in itself. Means accordingly meaning one has to use word to give the real meaning, to give the same meaning which the previous needs. I have already clarified our definition of transformation clears that one can remove the word, replace the word, but not meaning. So how differently here you can understand the changing between first category and second category. He is too big to walk. Sentence is clear. The main subject has been used here. But for here mountain, the mountain is too high. The main subject is mountain here. But you will write here mountain. The meaning will not be clarified. Which the mountain, which sentence demands or which sentence needs. So one has to use one indefinitely. One in place of mountain. So accordingly needs of sentence one should use different words to give the clear meaning. However, other types of categories also seen under remove to. Okay. However, single to sometimes we find here, we find under remove to single to. Okay, single to. Like he is too fat. वह इतना मोटा है कि उसे नहीं होना चाहिए, जरूरत से ज्यादा मोटा है. तो ऐसे के लिए हम लोग बनाएंगे. ओके, he is too fat means fat. This one is adjective, or this one is adverb. Okay, so adjective is change into comparative form. However, I will appear in next video with different degrees. Okay, but here how, and I will also clarify or give the rules how one can change adjective into different degrees. So here for single to, adjective is changed into comparative form. So he is fatter than. He is fatter than. Okay, he is fatter than. Okay, he is fatter than. He is fatter than. It is proper. It is fatter than. It is proper. He is fatter than it is proper. Okay, means after changing, okay, qualitative adjective into comparative form, one must use it is proper in the end. Okay, he is fatter than it is proper. Okay, he is too tall. Okay, he is too tall. Okay, he is too tall. Okay, transformation here. Okay, he is taller than. He is taller than. Okay, he is taller than. it is taller than, he is taller than, he is taller than, okay, he is taller than, it is proper, it is taller than, it is proper, he is taller than, it is proper, okay. So in case of single to, must use it is proper in the end after changing adjective into comparative form. Okay. So you might have understood how remove to, the program related to remove to, solved. Means through this video I also want to clarify how interesting, how beneficial grammatical terms are for expressing views. For expressing views, grammatical terms are essential. One must, reader must be interested to understand different grammatical terms to express feelings smoothly. So थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग। और लास्ट में मैं एक और बात बोल देना चाहता हूँ कि इस वीडियो बनाने में सचमुच में एक समय था कि मैं भी जब किसी का वीडियो देखता था और लोग बोलते थे कि एक वीडियो बनाने में बहुत संघर्ष करना पड़ता है, बहुत मेहनत की ज़रूरत होती है, इसलिए सब्सक्राइब और लाइक ज़रूर किया करें। इसमें आपको विशेष कुछ हानि नहीं होती है। तो आज वो चीज़ मुझे एहसास होता है कि सचमुच में मैं भी डिमांड करता हूँ कि मेरे व्यूअर जब भी देखें तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें ताकि हौसला बना रहे और अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो बना करके आपको लोगों को पहुँचता रहूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।